Hey guys, welcome on back to my channel. Today's video is going to be testing out a few new products that just hit Ulta. I've been eyeing my local Ultas and just kind of going in and checking it out to see what's new, and there is so much makeup, but I just wanted to pick up a few things and to test them out with you guys to see what was the tea on them. So today we are going to be trying out the BH Cosmetics BFF palette with Alondra and Elsie. I just couldn't help myself and I had to buy this palette. It was just too pretty to pass up. So yeah, this is the look that I created using this palette. I also picked up one of the new NYX Shine Loud Gold Crusher liquid lipsticks. It's like a gloss and a lipstick in one. I don't know, but this is what I have on the lips. And then we are also going to be testing out the new Jaclyn Hill products. These are brand new to Ulta. She just launched these products and she just launched her brand in store. So that is it. I don't have a lot of products. I just mainly wanted to test these out for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new beauty videos every week. I'm also going to be adding lifestyle content like cooking, clean with me, organizing, decorating videos, shop with me videos. So let me know some ideas so I can brainstorm and I will definitely check them out. With that said, I hope you guys are ready. Grab your cafecito and let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I've already done pretty much my base, foundation, concealer, setting, brows. I have my little nose contour going on. I'm really excited to try out these Jaclyn Hill products, you guys. I ran into my local Ulta and they were sold out of pretty much everything, so I got pretty lucky. I was only able, or actually I only picked up 2 items because I do already have her highlighter palette, which is this one. This is the one that she launched like last year or something like that. They are being sold now individually. Honestly, this is not a highlighting palette that I reach for very often. I use it, but not all the time. It's not like my go-to. So I couldn't see myself buying the individual ones, but if you guys are interested, they do have them. I feel like I should have gotten maybe the deeper palettes, but then when I saw them in person, they looked too deep. So I'm just going to use this as well. First, we're going to go in and bronze up the face. So this is the one that caught my attention because I felt like it really was going to go with my personal skin tone. This is the Sunkissed and Bronze Moment palette. First of all, the packaging is so luxe. I knew that Jaclyn Hill was going to kill it when it came with the packaging because she's very, like, you know, she's very Jaclyn. The packaging gets an A+ in my book. It's really pretty. This is like, do you see how it's standing out? Gorgeous. And this is what the inside of the palette looks like. I feel like this is going to suit me, and maybe if you're medium to tan skin or a little bit even deeper than me, this is going to be really pretty. I wish though that this color was leaning a little bit more peachy. You guys know that I am not a pink blush girl, so that's the only thing that I have to say, but that's totally okay. What I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna take this brush first to kind of like contour the face. The way that she used it, it looks like she just, like it just glided on her skin. So let's see if that's going to be the case. Oh, okay. She did mention that these weren't like crazy, like boom pigmented at once, like you kind of build it up, which is nice because I feel like sometimes if you get too much pigment at once, it's hard to blend it out. That is really pretty. You definitely have to go back a few times and like intensify the color, but the finish is really soft. I'm actually going to switch to my bronzing brush by Morphe, and I'm going to use this to hit the forehead. The formula is definitely nice. As you can see, it's already giving me a nice bronzy finish to the skin, and like one side of me wants to just have a whole bunch of pigment because I am used to just grabbing so much product, applying it to the skin, and then boom, it just showing up. But this is a product that you want to reapply, and actually I think that's a great idea because for anybody that is new at makeup, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. If you're new at makeup, you're not going to make the mistake of just having a bunch of bronzer on your skin. Does that make sense? It is super soft and I really like the color. It's not too warm, it's not too cool, it's just like the perfect shade. That's really pretty. I'm really impressed with the formula and the way that it's blending out. And as you can see, the more that you apply, the more that you can build it up. Sorry, I'm all being nosy. Somebody was passing by. Wow, okay. I don't know how to explain this formula. Honestly, I've never seen or tried anything like that. But I do like it. I think it's very cool. It's very creamy. Very, very creamy. Now, as far as the blush, it has the same formula. Again, it's not too crazy pigmented, but it's pigmented. I don't know how to explain it. And these aren't like completely matte. They have more of a satin finish. The next product that we are going to be testing out is the Beauy Luminous Powder. Now, this one, she says that it's more of a like a finishing powder to the skin where it gives you a natural glow. But when she applied it on the skin, like it looked very intense. I was like, girl, that's not natural. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of this, and then I will probably top it off with the palette that I already have. So I think I'm going to apply it right here on the apples of the cheeks. That's really pretty. She also mentioned that I think her mom uses this, so for mature skin, I think this is perfect. Oh, I feel like my lights are throwing me off. I'm gonna have to fix them. I'm gonna dip into her highlighting palette. This is the Flash, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Sparks, which is a golden undertoned highlighter. My skin is so like matte because I have so many powders, so we're gonna fix that in 1 sec. I've been using both of these sprays, which I know is like so extra, but I promise it makes such a difference. I'm gonna go in with this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This is for hydration. Ooh, and it matches my shirt. I really like this because it kind of melts the makeup and not in a bad way. It just makes the skin look super glowy and dewy. After that has dried down, I go in with an actual setting spray just because I don't want my skin to get too oily. And the one that I've been using is the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist, which is this one right here. I know I'm like super late to the bandwagon with this one, but I really like it. Okay, I think I changed the lighting a little bit. Let me know if the lighting is still off. I'm trying to like still get everything down. Okay, we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm loving how the skin is looking. It looks very dewy, but it looks very natural. Definitely has to be my favorite thing so far. This is something that I see myself reaching for every time that I go in and do my makeup. Now, for the eyes, so this is the Elsie and Alondra palette. I absolutely love both of them. I watched them a lot when they first started their YouTube channel. They're just so funny and I can relate to them so much. So when I saw that they collaborated with Beach Cosmetics, I knew that I had to get my hands on them. Duh, I have just poured my Latinas. Oh, okay, I don't even know where to start. There's so many beautiful colors, you guys, and it's so affordable, which is, duh, something that I loved. I'm going to take the shade BFF, which is a gorgeous like mauve pink, and I'm going to start off with that color. Oh, that is so pretty. My shirt definitely inspired me to do something pink. And I'm just going to take this all around. This Baby E color is so pretty, but then the shade Pop Off is also really pretty, so we might use them both just to see the quality. Honestly, Beach Cosmetics has such great palettes. I mean, some of them. Definitely a hit and miss, but I feel like they've just improved the quality of their eyeshadows. Beautiful. This color is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to take a clean brush, and I'm actually going to take a little bit of the shade Peach. This is such a pretty color. And I'm going to add a little bit to like the edges just a little bit because I feel like these two colors are going to look so pretty together. And this color is really light, so it's not going to be like crazy different, but it's just going to help soften the edges. I'm going to take things a little bit further. We're going to deepen it up. I am going to take a little bit of, Scorpio is really calling my name, but Wine and Dine. Okay, let's take a little bit of Scorpio and maybe we can do like a winged out eyeliner. And I'm going to be stamping it into the crease. I'm curious to see how these colors are going to blend, because sometimes when you've already added color to the crease, they won't really show up unless the base is like wet. But let's see how well these eyeshadows perform. I'm not going to take this one up too high. I want to keep this pretty low. I need something. Wow, that color is absolutely stunning. I'm going to take a little bit more of BFF and reinforce that color, just so we don't lose the pink. I really like that, but I am going to take a little bit of Wine and Dine, which is this shade right here. I'm going to take just a little bit of that just to deepen up things. You guys know the deal, but you can totally stop here. Oh yeah, this is such a pretty color. It's mauvey. Well, not mauvey, it's like a wine color. Yeah, duh. Exactly what it says. But I'm going to keep this super, super low. I don't want to bring that up too high. And I'm just going to bring that all around the eye. And I'm feeling a cut crease look. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited. I ordered myself a new vanity and a new desk for my birthday. I always like to spoil myself for my birthday, okay? My husband already spoiled me with buying me a gorgeous new home, so I couldn't ask him for anything. I was like, okay, I got me a cute vanity. And you know what was crazy was that, so I was going to order it like a few days ago. I was like, that way I can have it for my birthday. And girl, these things are not cheap, okay? They're expensive. And I was just debating, I'm like, do I really want to buy it? Do I really want to spend it? It was going to be close to like $1,500, like close to 600 actually, $1,600, not 16,000. No way. And I was like, do I really want to spend that much money? Like, I don't think oh, Lincoln's awake. I have a little baby monitor. He's awake. I was trying to hurry and film this video, but I'm gonna tell you guys a story really quick before I go pick him up. He's okay, by the way. He's just chilling. So I was like, I don't know. Do I want to do it? I was like, you know what? I'm going to think about it. And if I keep debating about it, it means that I shouldn't buy it. So I think like 2 days passed by and I kept thinking about it. And I'm like, man, I really want it. Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to buy it. So I go on to the website, which is Impressions Vanity. I go on to the website, and the vanity that I wanted was on discounts. It went from like 600 to like 400 bucks. I was like, it's meant to be. It is meant to be. So I bit the bullet and I bought it. Okay, I'm going to go get Mr. Lincoln. Lincoln is right here, you guys. So if you hear a lot of babbling, he's right there. He's currently entertained with a toy, but I got to do what I got to do, you know? I am home alone, and so Mama's gonna deal with him. Just kidding. So for the eyes, or at least for the waterline, I wanted to do something a little bit more playful. These are new by LA Girl. Yes, LA Girl. These are the Pastel Dream Auto Eyeliner. And this one is in the shade Baby Pink. And I thought this would go perfect with the eye look. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that into the waterline. I've never done pink in the waterline. And this color is just absolutely stunning. I highly recommend these eyeliners for anybody that is looking to add a pop of color into your routine or anything, because they are creamy, they're pigmented, and they glide on like butter. That looks really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be mixing two colors. I'm going to first take the shade Baby E, and then I'm going to take a little bit of Pop Off just to the inner corners. Wow, Karina. And I'm gonna tap that right here. Oh, this color. Oh, this color is pretty. It's not your typical pink. Like it's, I don't know. It's really pretty. It almost has like a whitish, bluish undertone. I don't know how to explain it. You have to see it in person. But wow, this is so pretty. And then taking a little bit of top off and applying that on the outer edge. And then to the outer corners, you guys already know the deal. I'm going to go back with BFF, Scorpio, and Wine and Dine to just finish off the eyes. I know that this brand isn't sold at Ulta, but I recently got a PR package from them, and they sent over a bunch of their Be Bold color liners. These are just liquid eyeliners, and I feel like this look just deserves to have an extra pink moment. So I'm going to go ahead and take this gorgeous pink liner and just kind of trace the outline of the crease. I popped on the lashes, and oh my gosh, I love the way that this look turned out. The lashes just complemented the eye so well. This is such a Valentine's Day look, but that's okay. I am wearing the lashes in the style The Original by Boldface. These are gorgeous, you guys. And I'm trying out their super sticky lash glue. This is white clear, and oh my gosh, this glue is so bomb. It gets super sticky, super quick, and the wand is like a, I've never seen anything like this. It's like stiff. I don't know how to explain it, but oh my gosh, it made it so, sir, it made it so easy to apply the lashes. So let's finish off the look and the lips because Lincoln is tired of just sitting there. So I know. For the lips, I'm going to use the Shine Loud Gold Crusher lipstick. These have been viral on TikTok, so it's like a super long wearing lip gloss. So you first apply the shade here. Now that the lip is completely dry, I'm going to go in with the shiny side. I don't recommend for you to press your lips together because it will come off in the center. Oh, the sticky feeling though is so weird. After that, this look is complete. My hair looks crazy. I was just putting Lincoln down and she was like pulling on my hair. That boy pulls on anything that's in front of his face. So this is the final look, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this look. I really like this palette. If you guys have been thinking about it, I really recommend for you to get it. Like, I don't see any other colors that are not going to work. This palette is stunning. I need to play with this one and this one and this one, and this green one is just so pretty. So if I don't post more tutorials on here, I will try to post on Instagram. I'm trying to like get into posting like into TikTok and Instagram and the reels and all that stuff, because girl, like if one avenue isn't opening doors for you, then you gotta open doors for yourself. And YouTube has just been, I don't know, it's been a little bit of a rough road lately with YouTube and my YouTube channel. So if you guys do like my content, make sure that you always give it a thumbs up, just so YouTube knows to recommend my page to other viewers. I would really appreciate that. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Oh, and really quickly, I just wanted to mention that I am really liking the bronzer and the blush from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's very subtle, so if you like something subtle, definitely pick these up. And the highlighter looks very natural but super gorgeous. So that is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!